What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel of the IELTS Workshop. My name is Tùng, your favorite teacher, and today we're looking at the IELTS speaking test. To be more specific, this is the IELTS speaking test on the 30th of June. Okay, let's get stuck in. Welcome to the IELTS speaking test. May I see your ID, please? Looking good. Yeah, naturally photogenic. Thank you. Alright, that's fine. Welcome to IELTS Speaking Part 1. Let's talk about time management. Do you think it's important to manage time? Well, I guess it's impossible to overstate the importance of proper time management. When you schedule your time effectively, you become less of a procrastinator and more of a doer, a go-getter. In other words, you get the motivation to stop faffing around and get things done. How do you spend time on your work? What I often do is use this application called Tomato Timer whenever I'm working. It's a silly name, I know, but it's really useful. Basically, it breaks down your work into 25-minute intervals with breaks in between. It prevents time-starved workers from reaching for their smartphones every 5 seconds. Simply because they're only allowed to do so every break. Using this tool, I managed to block out distractions and simply get my head in the game. Let's move on to IELTS Speaking Part 2. I'm going to give you a topic. You then have 1 minute for preparations, and then you shall talk from 1 to 2 minutes. And your topic is, describe an interesting conversation you had with a friend. Hey, look, that's genuine right there. Genuine? Where? Where? No? Oh, you done? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. My notes. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, my man. Yeah, let's do this. In my eyes, the most fulfilling and impactful conversations are the ones you have with people whom you truly love and admire. You can get to know them better while having a bit of a eureka moment for yourself. So a few years back, I had a chinwag with Hemant, one of my housemates in the UK, a chinwag that has stayed with me. Back then, I was faced with a dilemma of whether I should, upgrade my camera gear or not. The criminally expensive apparatus was still within my budget. But somehow a part of me was telling myself to save money for a rainy day instead. Therefore, I consulted my friend in the hope that he could talk me, out of the idea. He was, after all, majoring in engineering, He's a practical, prudent bloke, a fount of knowledge, money wiser, wise head on young shoulders, so I really count on him, However, to my surprise, he actually advised me to stop overthinking and just go for it, on the grounds that life's too short anyway to be anything but happy. He went like, if you can afford something, then highly likely it's not that costly. There are certain things in life you cannot buy, They are the truly expensive items. What a profound piece of advice, I thought to myself. His words were burnt into my memory. To my mind, it was such a fascinating chart in that it has somehow changed the way I spend and manage money. All in all, I've had quite a few mind-changing conflicts in my life, but none seems to top that particular chart with Hemant. Moving on to IELTS Speaking Part 3. In what industries do you think communication is a necessary skill? In what industry is it not, The ability to exchange ideas and vocalize your thoughts is central to all jobs. Take the education sector as an example. Teachers need to impart knowledge to students, while students need to partake in different discussion activities. Without verbal and written communication, life will not be the same. How important are listening skills when talking to others? I can't stress enough the importance of efficient listening skills. Not only does effective listening enhance your ability to understand better, and thus making you a more competent communicator, It also makes the experience of chatting to you more enjoyable for all the folks. How can we form and develop communication skills? If one's raring to take their communication skills to the next level, they might want to start with practicing active listening. This involves putting in conscious effort to stay focused and hear not only the words but also the underlying and complete message being communicated. Another thing that effective communicators often do is use body language efficiently by maintaining eye contact and utilizing different hand gestures to get the message across more quickly. And that is the end of the IELTS speaking test. That's it for today. I hope you find the vocabulary in the video helpful, and best of luck to your future endeavors in conquering the IELTS speaking test. That's it for me, Phan from the IELTS Workshop. I'll see you around.